Today was the Greenwood walking tour, and we took our group along around the Greenwood neighborhood. So we started our day off at Greenwood Secondary School, which also houses Danforth Collegiate within the same building. And then we went off to Luke's Sculpture Art School and Studio. And from there, we took the team to Allenby Theatre, which is a theatre built between the two world wars in the community, and it serves as a heritage site currently.
So the 4 students that we had from Greenwood Secondary School were extremely motivated, and they came in with a positive attitude. It was an extra bit of a challenge for them because they're all newcomers to the country.
You guys doing all the work that you're doing, locating community needs, that's exactly what can help give voice to all of that.
The TTC Oakville Greens Community Garden is really significant because that space, the TTC was actually trying to turn it into a 250-car parking lot in the 80s, and the residents really came together and they didn't want their green space in the community to be destroyed, so they came together and they fought against the TTC, and they actually won.
People who are doing amazing volunteer work in many different ways across the community, my job is really that I can try and help them to have that extra wind beneath their wings kind of thing, to kind of give them that extra strength. Some of it's helping them to figure out what grants might be available or programs. It's not even always policy, it's just like I get to be around and see some of what's happening.
We took our team to Wood Green Employment Services, and we ended our day off at Wood Green Community Services, where we held our forum.
Looking at all our different programs, whether it be newcomer youth, rites of passage, our employment youth initiatives, and sort of forming some sort of strategy going forward into the future. We also run like a lot of employment, so job fairs. Rites of Passage program is a program focused on African youth, Black youth, and its main focus is that whole transition from becoming a young person to an adult.
And they did such an amazing job taking initiative and displaying leadership skills, which is what Trinity is all about. And they took the time to memorize the walking tour script, the presentation script, which showed a lot of motivation on their part and was really impressive. Everyone had something nice to say about our walking tour and our presentation because of how good the students represented us as a team. I'm really proud of them. Yeah.